Alright, on this episode of Man Tips, we're going to be replacing a key fob battery in a Toyota Highlander. This is a 2016 edition. First thing you're going to do is you see this thing that says push right there. You're going to push in on the top, release the key. You'll see there's a little slot right there. You're going to kind of put your key right in there, twist, and boom, it opens up. Now, I like to use my Benchmade for everything. Anything with a flat surface here, flathead screwdriver, something like that. Kind of get up under it, pull it up. There's your battery. This is a Energizer CR2032. I'm going with a Duracell replacement, not by choice. Just that's what I found. And there's a couple clips right here on the edges you should be able to pull back, and to be honest, you can use your Benchmade again here to pop this bad boy out. Love a Benchmade. It's useful for pretty much anything. Your new one's going to fit kind of snug in there. It's going to want to tend to pop out, but you're going to kind of work it in there. And you know it's still not good, and there you go when you hear the click. You're going to come back on here, flip it back over, put it on, push these two pieces together, snap like that, put your key back in, and you're done. Easy, less than 2 minutes.